tool I gotta get for this. But that is currently in use. This monstrosity needs to be tamed. You can see that is filled with water. That is just chock full of disgusting, dirty water. We gotta figure out how to get it out of there. That's a fun project. This is the seed pod. Isn't that the creepiest thing you've ever seen? It's like I have to appreciate how horrific it is. It's like, it's almost beautiful, but it's horrifying. Look at that. Okay, I am a massive dork. Okay. Good first day. I feel like we can actually start to visualize what I might want to do with the Zen Garden. So very pleased with it. Good day. Howard did a whole bunch of clearing up there. So did a lot of weeding, exposed some rocks. It's really nice. I love when we find the rocks. This part still needs a little bit of work. Okay, a lot of work. And we're not going shopping anytime soon. But I kind of don't mind having the time to think. So I'm looking at this as a blessing, a wonderful time to think about what it is that I really want. Thank you for watching. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon.